aging trip units more than likely are going to cause you nuisance tripping, right? Sometimes they just don't operate at all. And that's once again why we periodically need to test our trip units. We periodically need to inject them either with secondary current or primary current so that we can continue to make sure they operate. And once again, and I've had a number of these, and I'll mention it really briefly, is we've had a lot of nuisance trips lately. People are like, why is my breaker tripping? And then it trips faster and it trips fast. That's usually an indication that there's an electronics problem. And most people don't like to hear this. What's the solution to an electronics problem when a breaker's tripping? Take that trip unit out or take that breaker out and replace it with another one. I apologize. I hate that, but there's no real easy fix for a breaker that's nuisance tripping in that fashion. And I'm happy to take that offline with anybody that's curious